and at the three three 3 o'clock I am at the 1 o'clock, 1 to 2. Between the one to
Hmm.
2, I go go to the bed for sleep.
Okay, I went to bed.
I went to the bed.
Okay,
I went to bed.
okay. Now, Anik,
Okay, sir.
who should be next? Who?
Soumya.
Okay, Soumya. Speak about
My daily
today. What time did you wake up this morning?
on 9:30 I was wake up, then I go to
Okay.
bathroom and I was brush my teeth and then I was bath.
Then I had a cup of tea. Okay. Okay.
Then I
Uh,
was joined the class.
then I joined the class. What time
Yes.
did you go to bed last night?
Mm. I think 11 o'clock.
Okay. And today, what time did you wake up?
9:30.
At 9:30. Okay. Okay. Very good. Now, uh, Pratigya, you tell about what time did you wake up this morning? Your voice is not reaching to us.
Sir, I'm muted. So I woke up at 10 a.m.
Okay.
Then I brushed my teeth.
Okay.
Then I took a bath. And after that, I joined English classes.
Okay.
And after that, uh, I will take
Uh,
my lunch.
I will have my lunch.
I will have my lunch.
Right.
And between and after that, I will take a small nap.
Okay. Very nice.
And then I will go to play badminton.
Okay. Very nice.
Then after that, I will come and take my dinner.
Okay. What time will you have your dinner?
7:30.
Okay. Very early. Very nice.
So,
Good.
after that, I will study.
Okay. You'll go to bed.
And then I will study. And after that, I will go for bed.
Oh, okay. So, till what time will you uh, go to bed?
So it's depend.
Depends. Normally, after 12.
So 12 after 12.
Okay. And then what time will you wake up next day?
So 9
9,
a.m. or sometimes 10.
10. Okay. Okay. So we will have this kind of general discussions every day like this. Okay. Okay. That's
Yes, sir.
it. Good day, everyone. We'll see you next
Oh,
day,
okay, sir.
same time. Okay.